In today's video, learn how to buy crypto like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Tether directly in your wallet. First, choose the wallet you want to fund, then tap the Buy button. Next, pick the token you want to buy. On the following screen, enter the amount you want to purchase, and then how you want to pay. You should have a varied choice, including Apple or Google Pay, bank card, and other local payment methods. Once you've set up your purchase, you will be paired with the best provider, meaning you will get the most crypto for your money. However, if you want to browse or change the provider, just tap the drop-down and look through the options. Once you're ready, tap the Buy button at the bottom. Follow the on-screen instructions. You will either open the provider's website in-app or on your device's browser. Both are completely secure and your crypto will go directly to your wallet. You may need to sign in and submit some personal information such as your email, billing address, date of birth, a selfie with your photo ID, and some other information. Once you've verified your identity, confirm the purchase with the provider. You should see a breakdown of your purchase with all fees included. Once confirmed, your new crypto will be sent straight to your best wallet.